I don't know about you guys, but I personally love getting my hands on some unique information. For example, right now we have almost complete information about the design of the entire iPhone 14's lineup, and it seems these devices will look very different from what we imagined them to be. Hi, it's OZN, and before I start, I suggest you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell. Let's discuss the news. The folks over at Makatakara got their hands on 3D printed dummy models of the iPhone 14 series, and to give us an idea of how the new phones would stack up against the outgoing series, they tried putting on the cases meant for the iPhone 13 range on 3D printed iPhone 14 units. The iPhone 14 series will allegedly consist of 6.1-inch regular model, 6.7-inch iPhone 14 Max, 6.1 inches iPhone 14 Pro, and 6.7 inches iPhone 14 Pro Max. Per earlier rumors, the new lineup will have the same overall design as the 2021 models, and the Pro variants could feature a thicker camera bump for accommodating the new 48-megapixel main camera and may replace the notch with dual peel and hole cutouts. Although the mockups that have surfaced today don't capture all the changes, they are likely based on accurate dimensions, which is why they could help us determine the size difference between the new and old models. Starting with the 6.1 inches iPhone 14, it apparently has a slightly larger camera bulge than the 6.1 inches iPhone 13, and thus the latter's case proved to be a misfit. The outlet also tried putting iPhone 13's camera cover on the iPhone 14, and the experiment appears to have revealed that the iPhone 14 feature larger camera sensors. They also compared screen protectors meant for the outgoing models with the iPhone 14 series, and think that the new phones may feature thinner bezels, and the shape of the edges may change slightly. The standard models will retain the notch, and the new images suggest its size hasn't changed. After that, the outlet tried putting the iPhone 14 Max dummy model in 6.7 inches iPhone 13 Pro Max's case, and while the case fit perfectly, indicating that the two have the same dimensions, the camera cutout on the case is a lot larger than the camera island on the iPhone 14 Max. This hardly comes as a surprise, as the iPhone 13 Pro Max has 3 cameras, whereas the iPhone 14 Max will likely comes with 2 rear cameras. When the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max dummies were put in cases meant for the iPhone 13 Pro and Pro Max, they couldn't fit, seemingly because the new models have thicker camera bumps. According to early reports, the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max will be equipped with the new A16 Bionic chip, while the older models will be powered by last year's A15 Bionic. Also, only the higher-end models are expected to feature 120Hz screens to smoother transitions. The entire lineup will allegedly get an improved front camera with larger aperture and autofocus for brighter and sharper photos, and this could make them the best selfie camera phones of the year. The new phones may also have the capability to send messages over satellite networks when a cellular connection is not available. Apple will likely announce the new phones in September. But wait, I still have something interesting to show you. The image, which first surfaced on Chinese social networking website, was shared by Front Page Tech, and its authenticity has been verified by Shrimp Apple Pro. As rumors have been saying, only the 6.1 inches iPhone 14 Pro and 6.7 inches iPhone 14 Pro Max will support new peel and hole cutouts for housing the Face ID system and front camera, but the 6.1 inches iPhone 14 and 6.7 inches iPhone 14 Max will retain the notch. As content creator Byte notes, the new image also corroborates rumors that said the Pro models would have a taller aspect ratio than their predecessors. The aspect ratio has apparently been increased to better fit in the new cutouts. The eye-shaped cutout on the Pro model seems to take up more space than early renders had suggested. Apple has seemingly not reduced the sizes of the notch components and has instead just removed the edges surrounding the elements. The whole cutout will have the same diameter as iPhone 13 Pro camera opening. As for prices, right now we hope that Apple will not change anything, and the price tags on the new iPhone 13 lineup could be the same as the iPhone 13's. The only question is the price of the new iPhone 14 Max, but various sources claim it will be somewhere near $900. My today's question is, are you planning to upgrade your current smartphone to iPhone 14? If so, why? Your answers, as always, you can leave in the comment section below. I will definitely read everything, and I will answer the most interesting comments and give hearts from the channel. If this video seems interesting to you, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and ring the bell. You were watching OZN, and I'll see you guys in the next one.